वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज हम लोग जाना है कुछ सिंगापुरी फूड ट्राई करने। तो अभी देखते हैं मतलब क्या खाते हैं अभी हम लोग। और अभी यहाँ की स्ट्रीट अभी हम लोग इंडियन टाउन में जिस एरिया में और ये हमारा सूप आ गया है जिसमें सारे सी फूड एनिमल्स ऑक्टोपस भी है इसमें। और ये मैंने ऑर्डर किया है। प्रॉन्स और ये ऑक्टोपस। तो अभी हम लोग ने $2 की स्लर्पी ली है और बहुत औसम थी। वो भी क्रीवी फ्लेवर और क्या औसम है यार। अपन बाहर वाले नहीं है ना इसलिए बियर नहीं पीता अपन।
Anytime can rain because Singapore tropical island, tropical climate.
ओके ओके ओके।
But if it's rain, make sure you rain longer. Short rain,
Humidity.
Yeah, humidity very high. Okay, right side, Raffles Hospital.
रेड क्रॉस
Raffles Hospital.
रेड
Raffles.
राइफल
World top brain surgery.
ओके ओके ओके।
World top brain surgery. You know Iran twin, Cambodia twin.
नो
Operation here.
ओके ओके।
Singapore, nothing is free except air.
Here.
Huh?
ओके ओके ओके।
Hospital consultation fee 185.
185
$185.
$185 for
Consultation. Okay. Apart from Mustafa Market, you
Okay.
heard about Boogie Street? Boogie Street Cheap Bazaar.
Boogie Street.
This one.
Okay, this is called Boogie
Boogie's Cheap Bazaar.
Cheap
no,
Bazaar.
No first copy, no duplicate copy.
Okay okay.
No first copy.
No duplicate coffee.
Okay, Singapore first copy, duplicate copy illegal.
Okay okay okay.
And you can find branded, non-branded, parallel import.
Okay.
Okay, right side, Boogie Street. Opening time 10 to 10. All
Boogie
shopping
Street.
mall, all shopping mall 10 to 10 except Mustafa 24/7.
Okay okay. This and this is this mall?
This is Boogie Junction normal shopping mall.
Boogie Junction.
Normal.
Normal
Shopping
shopping mall. Okay okay. वो बैटरी सेविंग पे चलाते ना ब्लिंक कर रहा हूँ रिकॉर्ड।
Why battery finish?
नो नो नो।
Okay, now later I show you Supreme Court, Parliament Building, Supreme Court, Parliament Building.
Singapore is a democratic country.
Yes.
Democratic country.
Yes. President, Prime Minister, same like India.
Okay okay. Vaping is illegal in Singapore.
Which one?
Vaping.
Electronic cigarettes.
Electronic cigarettes.
Ban.
Okay.
Illegal.
And normal cigarettes are allowed.
Yes, allowed, but you see all in 20 stick only, no small packet.
Okay.
All in 20 stick, big packet, no small
Okay.
packet. And some more when you purchase 7-Eleven, they all close. No
7-Eleven.
advertisement. You need to ask, then you can take.
Okay. So in smoking in outside.
Outside certain area only.
Okay. Public area is not allowed.
Public area, bus stop, taxi stand, okay, shopping mall, alright, hospital, all banned.
Okay.
Outside, yes, outside 5 meter away from entrance.
Okay.
Now 5 meter away from entrance.
And where to buy electronics? Cheap
Okay.
electronics.
Electronic.
Yes.
Save money, save headache. Mustafa.
Mustafa. Okay.
Yeah. Mustafa you can get.
Okay. Okay.
Nah, Mustafa, save headache, save trouble. You can purchase in Mustafa.
Okay.
Why? Because individual direct distributor supply to Mustafa.
Okay. 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 Direct distribution.
Left side, Raffles Hotel.
Raffle.
Raffles Hotel,
Okay. Okay.
One night,
Raffle hotel.
$2,000.
One night, $2,000.
Yes, suit. All
Suit. Okay. Okay. All suit.
Breakfast in room.
Okay.
Buffet menu.
All included.
Yes, buffet menu, na?
Yeah. Yeah. In $2,000 dinner.
Dinner, I
also-
don't know.
Okay.
But
Okay.
morning breakfast, yes. Buffet
Oh,
menu, room.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Serve in the room
$2,000.
per night.
Yeah.
Michael Jackson, Jackie Chan.
All are staying here.
Yes. Michael Jackson book whole
Hotel.
top level.
Okay. 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 बहुत पैसा
He
माइकल
stayed
जैक्सन के
for 4
पास.
nights, na?
4 nights.
He stayed for 4 nights. The
Okay,
whole
okay.
one top level he booked.
Okay. Okay.
That
Okay.
time we are all crowded.
Okay. For his safety reasons.
He bring his child all.
Child. माइकल जैक्सन की एक बेटी और एक बेटा है. Can you repeat it once again? Raffle.
I know repeat.
Okay. 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 Sorry.
I can just explain.
Okay. Okay. Raffle. Raffle is a British
officer. na?
British officer.
Sir stand for Raffles.
Raffle.
Full name Sir stand for Raffles.
Okay.
Supreme Court. Okay, this is Supreme Court.
Oh.
Basement also Supreme Court, High Court. This is not hotel,
Okay. Okay. This is Supreme Court.
Yes, Supreme Court. Right side Treasury Building.
Okay.
Okay. Parliament, Singapore Parliament Building.
Okay. Okay. And in $100 the person is.
Yes, that
This
is our
Raffle.
first Singapore policeman, Supreme Court.
Okay.
The person in the dollar, Singapore dollar, is our Singapore first president.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
President Sir Yusof Ishak. Right side,
Yusof
Parliament and
Ishak.
Building, policeman. You know, Indian National Army
Yes.
formed in Singapore.
Indian National Army.
Formed in Singapore.
Okay. Okay.
Right side, the Singapore Cricket Club. Singapore Cricket Club.
Cricket club.
Yeah, Subhash Chandra Bose ji.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Was here.
Was
during
here.
1942.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
1942. World War II, na? Indian National, 45,000 members.
45,000.
Left side, Parliament, old Parliament building become museum.
Okay. Okay. And what is this? The dome shape. Right side. Right side.
The one is Esplanade, live theatre, live arts performance theatre.
This is
Esplanade.
Esplanade.
Yes.
Okay. Flower by the
Dushan. Marina Basin Hotel, na? Okay, now I bring you to Marina Square.
Marina Square.
Okay, Marina Square actually is 5 five-star hotel, 7 office building, 1 exhibition convention center.
Okay.
And then you have this all this road used for race car,
This road.
Formula 1 car race.
Okay.
Formula 1 car race car.
Okay. This road.
Yes.
At what time?
City.
September.
September.
Which one, madam? Sorry. City? local city.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Whole local city is used for racing.
No, yes, this area,
This area,
5 kilometer track,
5 kilometer track.
60 time.
Okay, this road.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Formula 1 car. So, have you ever traveled in India?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Not yet.
वो जो मुझसे मंगाई थी तुम्हारी
Raffles
फ्रेंड से
होता।
हिमांशी के पापा से
There are so many Raffles.
No, no, this one we come one round.
Okay, okay, okay.
This oldest hotel na, British colonial building. This is the entrance.
This is the entrance.
Main entrance.
तो आपको पता है
Okay.
टाइमिंग क्या हो रही है
Marina Square famous for two Hindi movie, Krish and Vedanathan.
Okay.
रात को करूँगी पापा से
Patient de Dhanandan.
हाँ बस रात को बात करूँगी
So that is giant wheel, huh? But
Yeah.
giant wheel 1 month ready under
Chocolate.
repair.
1 month?
1 month under repair.
बाबू चॉकलेट
Okay, okay. So it is not open.
No,
Right
the,
now.
the flyer not running.
Okay, okay,
The giant wheel, what you call is open.
okay. Price of giant wheel.
के बता रहा
One round $33.
One round
चलो ठीक है, बात
$33.
करो।
1 person.
1 person. Nice. But it is closed right now for
Yes,
1 month.
yes. Can you see number? Signboard number?
Marina Square.
No. See the green color, orange color
orange.
number. Electronic.
Green, yeah.
Suntec City.
Ah,
1085 Marina Square 1122 Millenia Singapore for available parking lot.
okay, okay, okay.
Basement 8000 parking lot.
8,000.
During
Park.
race all this road closed, parking lot used for passageway,
Okay, 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 okay.
all integrated, joint. See all this road track.
Okay, okay.
F1
So, inside the road there is the all connected roads.
Yes, basement
Wow.
only for car 1.9 meter
Okay, okay. Only for car 1.9.
or 9 meter. Yes.
And our car is.
This one is 2.4 meter. This one cannot go.
Okay, okay.
Exhibition Convention Center.
Exhibition.
Exhibition Convention Center.
Convention Center.
And then this is Suntec City Krish movie.
Yeah.
Krish movie shooting here.
Yes,
Suntec City is
Suntec
basically
City.
5 tower,
Okay.
na?
Yeah. Last
Fountain
fight.
of Wealth.
ये मैं क्रिश मूवी तक से हाँ वो तो फीलिंग क्रिश भी अच्छी
Okay. Singapore, along the road, you don't see any fruit stall, drink stall.
yeah
Government ban. Hygiene.
so where is the in street food
Street food, street food not many here.
okay
Because for hygienic purpose, Singapore government ban.
okay
Only have proper place. Mercedes
okay.
AMG. Okay. This AMG costs almost about 500,000 plus.
Okay. So what is the price of flat in Singapore?
Okay,
For
flat.
purchase.
Okay,
For purchase.
For purchase, flat. The housing board,
Yeah.
80% population live in housing board.
Live in housing board.
Yes. Government engage private builder to build for them,
Okay.
and they only sold to Singaporean. Singaporean only can sell to Singaporean.
Okay. That is
2 BHK standard size, 75 square meter.
75 square meter.
Price tag $300,000.
$300,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this is Pan Pacific Singapore.
Pan Pacific.
Now there's another movie.
Okay. Pan Pacific Hotel.
Yes, there's another movie.
Okay. Pan Pacific.